Last week we learned Rails, and so this week we're shifting gears and learning MVC using C#. Today we're learning how to create BuzzFeed quizzes using that framework.
We made two programs, one that could make BuzzFeed style quizzes and another that allowed users to take those quizzes. So now we're using MVC to integrate those two programs into a user-friendly interface where the user can select the options, whether they want to take a quiz, make a quiz, and have a realistic experience that looks like an actual BuzzFeed style website. This week has been a little bit of a roller coaster. At the start of the week, it was a little bit difficult getting used to MVC just because it's so much information to learn in a short amount of time, and there's so many new things that were introduced, and it's hard to figure out how to piece them together.
I'm feeling pretty good about it. There's still a lot that I don't understand, which is par for the course, but I've learned to be okay with that. Given that it's only been 9 weeks, it feels very transformative. There's still going to be a million questions probably after this program is over, but I'm feeling more and more confident learning how to learn and to ask the right questions, which is great because it did not feel that way day one, week one.
When I started, I was really excited about this career shift and the opportunity to do something different, but it didn't feel totally real to me. Like, I don't think I believed that I could do this. And now it feels more real. Now I feel like, oh wow, I'm actually doing this. I'm here. I am learning these languages. I can use them, and that I can continue learning. So it feels like it's real. Like I've made a career change, and it's like happening.